Hi everyone, welcome back to Master English Hub. Today we're learning about can and could, two very common English words that often confuse learners. By the end of this video, you'll know when to use each one with confidence. Let's get started. 1. Ability. Can shows ability in the present or future. Example, I can swim. Present ability. Example, she can help you tomorrow. Future ability. Could shows ability in the past. Example, when I was a child, I could run very fast. 2. Possibility. Can expresses something that is possible in general. Example, it can be very hot in Tunisia in summer. Could expresses something that is possible but less certain. Example, it could rain later, so take an umbrella. 3. Permission. Can is used for giving or asking for permission in everyday English. Example, can I use your phone? Example, yes, you can sit here. Could is more polite or formal. Example, could I open the window, please? 4. Suggestions and polite requests. Can is used in offers. Example, I can help you with your homework. Could is used for polite suggestions or hypothetical offers. Example, we could go to the cinema tonight. 5. Hypothetical, imaginary. Could is often used when talking about unreal or imaginary situations. Example, if I had more time, I could learn another language. Wrap up. So remember, use can for present or real situations, and could for past, polite, or imaginary ones. Practice these examples, and you'll master the difference in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped you.